In this video, we unbox and review the dirt cheap but stupidly fast VKAR Bison. Guys, in this video, we're going to do an unboxing and a quick review on the VKAR Bison. So, it's 1/10 scale, it's 4-wheel drive, and it's brushless. I did a review on the JLB Cheetah a little while ago, but some of you guys in the comments said that the Bison is better, so we will see. So, let's crack him open. You know what you gotta do. Oh, check it out, guys. So, what you get is radio, battery, charger, instructions, little tool set, and obviously the car. The only thing that's not included is 4 AA batteries. Alright, let's have a look inside. So, at a first glance, we've got this little net thing that covers up all the electrics. So here we have a brushless motor, brushless speed controller, and the servo is here. So, starting at the front, we've got headlights. We've got some threaded shocks made of aluminium. By the way, guys, if you want more information about this car, I'm going to put a link down below. So moving on to the rear, same again, also lights and a wheelie bar. So at a first glance, it does look very similar to the JLB Cheetah, but it is actually completely different. The shocks look fairly similar, but that's where the similarities end. The suspension design is completely different. This one's pivot ball, this one's C-hubs. This one here has lost these dreaded links on the rear that are, in my opinion, they're a weak spot on any RC car, and this doesn't have them. But we're going to do that in a different video. We're going to compare these to see which is better in a different video. And this one more difference is the Cheetah has a metal chassis, and this one as a plastic chassis. So I always see a lot of arguments online, people saying, metal chassis are better, plastic chassis are better. Well, I've kind of found that for bashing purposes, plastic is often better because metal can bend and stay bent, where plastic, if it's made of good grade plastic, it's going to sort of bend around, absorb the impact, and then hopefully pop back out again. But that's not always the case. If you get like a high-end race buggy with a 70-75 thick aluminium chassis, sometimes that can be actually pretty strong. So, to charge it up, you plug that in there, that in there, that in there, and hope for the best. Actually, these lights are going to turn green when they're done. So once they're done, guys, we're going to chuck it in and give it a burn. So this is actually a 3S LiPo, but I've been told that the ESC on this can actually take 4S, and I may well try that. Not in this video, but maybe in a video soon. You know what you gotta do. I'll tell you what, guys, the radio at a first glance looks pretty decent. So if you have a look at the instructions, it's got model select. Obviously it's got your steering reverse like they've all got. It's also got endpoint adjustment, ABS, expos, and model name. And for a budget RC car, guys, that is actually pretty decent. There's some much more expensive RC cars that you can't do any of that on. So we're going to see if this radio is actually as good as it looks in a minute. So, having a quick look underneath, it does seem to have some pretty heavy-duty hinge pin braces. But, as with all my reviews, we will take it out, we will abuse it at some point, we're going to do the BMX track, we're going to hit the skate park, we're going to see what this thing's made of, and then you're going to see if, firsthand, this model is actually any good or not. Alright, battery's charged, let's give it a blast. Alright guys, I don't know what to expect, and this is probably going to be the thumbnail. Here we go. Not going to hit the brakes like I did on the Cheetah, but, oh boys, girls, that looks like it's got some power. Let's give it a blast. So the steering's pretty fast for what it is, and also it's got plenty of power, especially on this carpet here. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's got power, guys. Alright, let's get it in the workshop. It's dark in here, but it doesn't matter because we've got headlights. All right, so guys, this is actually pitch black in here. And this is all done by the headlights, so it's probably pretty hard to see on the camera, but I can actually drive this around perfectly. All right, let's get the lights on. All right, so I don't know how well that came out on the camera, guys, but that was absolutely pitch black in here. So let's see what this thing can do indoors. Not sure how fast it is compared to the Cheetah, but it seems about the same. Backflip. Oh, nearly. It hit that plug socket. All right, let's try again. Oh, nailed it. It's angry, guys. Oh my God, it's angry. I can't wait to get this thing outside. Oh my God, guys, that went up. All right, let's get the ramp out. All right, let's make it bigger. Oh, backflip. Oh my God. Indoor backflip, guys. All right, let's try that again from a different angle. Oh, nailed it. Tyres making some noises on this surface. Oh, easy. Oh, ramp collapsed. Easy. Nailed it. Oh, we're stuck underneath the welder. Now, so far, guys, that is holding up pretty damn good. I can't see any damage on this yet. We just need to get it outside in the daytime and see what this thing can do. All right, let's get it outside in the pitch black and see what happens. Oh, check these headlights out, guys. Look at that. It's actually lighting up the whole entire outside here. Look at that. Camera's not really fully catching it, but that is catching a lot. I don't know how well this is coming out on the camera. Hopefully it's giving you a rough idea that it is actually usable in the pitch black. So, parts-wise, all the spare parts of this model are available from places like Banggood. But a quick Google search, if you can't find any bits on there, there's plenty of other places that do parts for these. And failing that, the Helion 4 10TR four-wheel drive brushless truggy is actually the exact same, apart from the electrics. The electrics are slightly different, but the actual parts of this truck are exactly the same. So, you shouldn't have any problems getting spare parts for this car at all. So, I'm going to be putting a link down below where you can buy this car from. So far, guys, I'm super impressed. For the price, you get quite a lot. It's fast, it seems durable, it looks good, the quality of the part looks good. You can buy all the spare parts. So far, guys, I'm really happy. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to go to the skate park BMX track. We're going to put this thing through its paces and see how good it really is. So for now, guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. We've got plenty of videos coming up, plenty more reviews coming up, plenty more bashing of a whole load of other RC cars. So, guys, see you soon. Bye.